Hey, welcome back to Bear Mountain Builds, and today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. Okay, I'm Zach, and today I'm going to show you how to install a glass wall into this shower. Now, it might seem tricky at first, but once I show you how it's done, it's actually pretty simple. Alright, let's get this project started. Here's what you're going to need for the job. At least 9 number 10 anchor plugs, 9 number 10 1¼ inch stainless steel screws, a 1/4 inch ceramic tile bit, a caulking tool, some tape, a 7/32 titanium drill bit, a tape measure, a box cutter, a scraper, a cordless screwdriver with a Phillips bit, a pencil, a Sharpie, a caulking gun with gray caulk, a tube of clear caulk, Gorilla construction adhesive, a carpenter square, and a 24-inch level. First off, I found the center line on the base using my tape measure. This will be where the lower channel will be anchored. After that, I marked where the holes for the screws will go. I use 3 screws personally, but you could use more, just remember to avoid the seams between the tiles. For the vertical channel, match the bottom and remember to use your level. It's very important that this channel is perfectly vertical. After I had the channel in place, I taped it to the wall and marked the positions of 5 more screws. Part of the beauty of slate is how each tile has different thicknesses, but this also causes gaps between the channel and tile. Just make sure to fill the gaps completely to avoid leaks. You want to use titanium drill bits when drilling the aluminum, so to not dull the bit. Go slow while drilling the holes, or else you might accidentally slam the drill head into the channel, as I found out. This is where I realized that the head of the screws I had bought originally didn't fit into the channel. After a quick trip to the hardware store, I got screws with smaller heads and upgraded to stainless steel. With the holes drilled, you'll want to put the channel back into place and mark on the slate at the positions of each hole. Since I'm drilling into tile instead of wood or concrete, I used a ceramic tile bit. This bit goes through the tile like butter. I picked a bit that was slightly smaller than the anchor plugs to ensure a tight fit in the hole once the screw is driven in. I also added a stop tape at the length of the anchor plug from the tip of the bit to ensure I get the right hole depth for the top of the plug to be flush with the tile. I know to stop drilling once the tape starts sweeping away the dust, then I can just suck out the dust from the hole. I use the same process for the vertical channel. I made sure to apply a thick bead of adhesive on the bottom of the channels. Don't worry if it oozes out the sides a bit, the extra will be trimmed away later. It's very important that there is good adhesive contact the entire length of the channel. Remember to check that all the anchors are in the holes before positioning the channel. When screwing the channel in place, make sure the screws are snug but don't over tighten. So our bathroom's all ready to go. We got our channels in place, so it's time to install our glass. This is our foremost shower glass. It's tempered glass, so it's made for bathrooms. It's 76 inches tall by 30 inches wide. Let's get it together. I filled the channels with clear caulk. It will come out white and turns clear as it cures. You'll want to fill the channels as much as possible so that the seal is watertight. It'll ooze out the sides, but this can be cleaned up later. Moving the glass was by far the most nerve-wracking part of the installation. We honestly could have used a third set of hands, but I'm sure some suction cups or rubber gloves would have helped a lot. But we got it into place without any chips. You don't want to clamp bare metal to glass, so I glued these clear pads to the support arm for a better grip on the glass. It took me forever to get the brace in place, but I know it's not going anywhere. Then, all I had left to do was drill 2 more holes for the anchors and screw in the mount. With that, this glass wall wasn't going anywhere. Alright, so the glass is in place and the adhesive is set. Now it's time for just our final cleanup around the edges and then we should be good to go. I trimmed off the extra adhesive, then got busy with the caulking. I filled in all the gaps underneath the channel and used the caulking tool to smooth it out. I've got to admit, cleaning caulk off a surface as textured as slate is not the easiest thing I've done, but it is good incentive to improve my caulking skills. And to top it off, I installed a new shower head. With this, the project was all done. Alright, the project's done. The glass wall looks great. Overall, the project went really well. I only hit one snag where there was a metal plate in the wall, but that's a pretty easy fix. Hey, this was a fun project. I really liked it. I hope you did too. And if you did, please smash that like button. And while you're at it, hit the subscribe button too. And don't forget to check out my other project videos on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.